no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is another daily devotional. This is number 5. Super proud of myself. Thank you very much. I hope that you guys have been enjoying these devotionals. If you have missed the first ones, I'll have those linked in the description box. And also, if you're wondering why I'm doing daily devotionals instead of my DIYs, then you have certainly missed a lot. So I will leave those videos also linked in the description box. All right, let's jump right in. Okay, so day 5, and I'm going to be reading this devotional from the 365-day daily devotional written by Sarah Young. Now, you can pick these up at Walmart. You can order them online, and there's also an app called Jesus Calling. So these are super nice. I've shared this, I guess, every day that I've done it, but I just want to make sure that everybody knows where, exactly where I'm reading this devotional from. So it's the Jesus Calling book. All right, day 5. Super excited. Okay. You can achieve the victorious life through living in deep dependence on me. People usually associate victory with success, not falling or stumbling, not making mistakes. But those who are successful in their own strength tend to go their own way, forgetting about me. It is through problems and failure, weakness and neediness that you learn to rely on me. True dependence is not simply asking me to bless what you have decided to do. It is coming to me with an open mind and heart, inviting me to plant my desires within you. Did y'all hear that? True dependence is not simply asking me to bless what you have decided to do. It is coming to me with an open mind and open heart, inviting me to plant my desires within you. So the Lord's not just going to bless what you want to do. He's telling us right here, you got to come to Him. Keep your heart open. Keep your thoughts open to what He has planned for you, because I promise you, His idea is a lot better than yours. All right, let's keep going. I may infuse within you a dream that seems far beyond your reach. You know that in yourself you cannot achieve such a goal. Thus begins our journey of profound reliance on me. It is a faith walk, taken one step at a time, leaning on me as much as you need. This is not a path of continual success, but of multiple failures. However, each failure is followed by a growth spurt, nourished by my increased reliance on me. Enjoy the blessedness of a victorious life through deepening your dependence of me. Okay, the verses for today. The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their troubles. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. I like that verse. I've always liked that verse. Psalms 34, 17, and 18. The other one is, for we walk by faith, not by sight. 2 Corinthians 5, 7. We walk by faith, not by sight. Yeah, this is a really, really good one. They're all good ones, y'all. And it's so crazy how no matter what is going on in my life or your life or whatever, each of us that are doing this devotional every day, we're all taking something from this that we needed. We're not all going to get the same blessings from the Lord. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, the Lord's going to speak to me through this devotional for exactly what I'm needing today. The Lord's going to speak to you through this devotional for what you are needing today. It is just so awesome to me that no matter what is going on, the Lord knows. And he's going to talk to you if you will just listen. Just listen. There's a verse in the Bible. I can't remember what. I think it's in Psalms. But it says, be still and know that I am God. One of my absolute favorite verses, because that's probably the hardest thing for me to do, is be still and just let God take control. I have said it before. I'm a get it done yesterday kind of person. I like a plan. I like to be focused. I like to get things done. And that is not the way it works. Sometimes you got to sit back and just let the Lord tell you what he wants you to do. Let the Lord plant those desires in you for what he has planned for you for the future. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just sitting back, trusting God and knowing that we're going to be okay and that he's going to provide for us. And I just know that he loves me, and that's all I need. That's all I need, is just to know that God loves me and that he is going to take care of my every single need. So that's an awesome feeling, and yeah, it's a good thing to trust God. Very good thing. All right. I hope that y'all enjoyed this. I hope that you will give it a thumbs up. I hope that you will share it with your friends and family. And I definitely hope that you will subscribe. Just hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day. Oh, let me pop back on here real quick before we go. I won't have a video up tomorrow. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to take Saturday and Sundays off because I work for my father-in-law, and so I'm not able to make the videos on time. So this will be like Monday through Friday. We'll have another video up first thing Monday morning. All right. Thank you again, and y'all have a blessed day.